Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Austin. Welcome to my very first YouTube video. Right now I just picked up the car and I'm still in the city, but sooner or later I'm going to upstate to hit the reset. Currently it's 5:15. Today I'm heading to the Letchworth State Park, which is known as the Grand Canyon of the East. I've been seeing the videos from YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok that place is full of trees, the trails, and the waterfalls. Those are really beautiful. So I gotta see it myself. All right, let's hit the road. Alright guys, just made it to the park, and SubhanAllah, the pace here, it's instantly. Here, look at that. I'm at the Lower Falls recreation area, and as I can see, there are a lot of kids. They're ready for rafting, I believe. Yeah, for rafting. The trail to the lower fall was longer and quieter. Fewer people go this far, and maybe that's why it feels so untouched. The water here doesn't roar, it whispers. SubhanAllah, the stillness here is powerful. It's the kind of peace that makes you just sit there and chill. No phone, no rush, just you and the moment.
وتقدست أسماؤه وتعالى وأكون للوطن الحبيب مشيدا أنمى إليه وأستفيض جلالا وأراقب الرحمن جل جلاله وتقدست أسماؤه وتعالى.
Halfway through the hike, I found a quiet spot to rest. The kind of silence you don't find in the city. No car horns, no sirens, no voices, just the wind and the water. In moments like this, saying Alhamdulillah comes from a deeper place. It's not just words, it's gratitude. Gratitude for the ability to walk, to breathe, to see this view, for the chance to pause and reflect.
وأكون للخير العميم مثالا وأبر محتسبا بأم وأب فاض علي محبة ودلالا وأكون في عمل التطوع قدوة وأصوغ من عزم الرجال مجالا وأبر محتسبا بأم وأب فاض علي محبة ودلالا وأكون في عمل التطوع هكذا قيم النجاة تحثني فأخوض فيها للنجاة نزاع هي هكذا قيم النجاة تحثني فأخوض فيها للنجاة نزالا لا تسأل المقدار عن سبل العلا فتراه طيرا بالعزيمة جاء أسمو وأغتاز السماء جلالا فأزيد أسراب الغيوم جمالا وألون الدنيا بأجمل بسمة وأكون للخير العميم مثالا.
I'm so grateful that I took this trip. It gave me the reset I didn't even realize I needed. And if you're someone who has been feeling tired or lost or just stuck in routine, take this as your sign. Get outside, explore, say SubhanAllah out loud, let your soul breathe. You don't need a big plan, just a bit of courage and a little time. Nature will take care of the rest. Looking out over the gorge, I started thinking, how much time do we spend chasing things in the city? Deadlines, money, attention. But how often do we pause to look at what was already given to us? These waterfalls don't just show beauty. They reminded us of our place in the world. They reminded us that we are part of something much bigger.